Hi everybody, this is David, and in today's TechNet tutorials I will show you how to use the camera tool to add video and images. Right, once you've got your book open, just click on the plus button in the top right and then go down to the camera feature. Then from here you can click take photo or record video and then strike a pose like I've done, and then from there you can either delete it or just use it. Same thing works for video. Literally click record video. It will probably ask you for your computer to give permission to take the video, and that's fine, and then just record as you would. If you decide to go with your amazing video or picture, then you can just adjust the size just like you would do with your text box and or images. And that wraps up today's episode of TechNet Tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.